The pre-built receipt model extracts merchant, total, and line items with zero training. You upload an image, you get structured JSON back. This is for engineers building expense automation who hate labeling data. Microsoft trained it on millions of receipts across formats and languages. It returns per field confidence scores, often above 0.9 on clean scans. That confidence number hides a gotcha we hit later. 3 things in this breakdown. First, the reference architecture and why each service is there. Second, the actual Python call and the fields you get. Third, the failure modes that wreck an expense report. The gotcha lives in field 3. Confidence scores lie more often than you expect on crumpled receipts. Here is the wiring. A user uploads a photo through an API. Blob Storage holds the raw image as the source of truth. A function triggers on the upload event. It calls Azure Document Intelligence with the Blob URL. Extracted fields land in Cosmos DB for querying and reporting. Blob keeps the original for audits and reprocessing. Follow one receipt. The upload writes to Blob and returns immediately. The function fires asynchronously, so the user never waits. It passes the Blob URL, not the bytes, keeping payloads small. Document Intelligence processes it, usually in 2 to 5 seconds. The function maps fields, applies your rules, and writes to Cosmos. Decoupling means a slow model call never blocks the upload. The code is short. Point the client at your endpoint and key. Call begin analyze with the pre-built receipt model ID. Poll the result. Then read documents and their fields. Each field has a value and a confidence you must check. Store the key from key vault, never in code. Line items come as an array you iterate. Here is the gotcha. Confidence is per field, not per receipt. A total can read 0.95 while the merchant name is missing. Crumpled, angled, or dim photos drop line item accuracy fast. Never auto-approve on confidence alone. Route anything below your threshold to human review. Set that bar around 0.8 and tune it against real receipts. Why pre-built over a custom model? Speed to ship and no labeling burden. The cost is rigidity. Pre-built covers standard fields, not your custom purchase codes. If you need those, add a custom extraction model later. Pricing is per page, roughly $10 per 1,000 pages. Batch and cache aggressively so reprocessing never doubles your bill. Check current Azure Docs for exact pricing. Recap. Use the pre-built receipt model to skip training entirely. Decouple upload from analysis with Blob and a function. Always check per field confidence and route low scores to humans. Keep originals in Blob for audits and reprocessing. Start pre-built. Graduate to custom only when fields demand it. Clone the reference architecture and adapt the confidence threshold to your data. If this helped, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.